Well, good morning from lovely South Carolina. It's been far too long since I've laced up my boots and hit any trail, so I am getting ready to head down to the Chattooga River for today. Goof off. I'll be taking the Nicholson Ford Road access on the Foothills Trail down to the river. It's only like a mile hike in, and I'm just looking forward to goofing off a bit and having a good day. Lovely 40 something degrees right now and good to go, ready to get it done. So let's get it going.
River rolls and the river winds, and it seems to do something for my peace of mind. Though I didn't know it, I came here looking to find a place to forget about my troubles for a while. Saw a mother with a little baby while I was walking here. There's something about a little baby makes me laugh. They don't seem to have a care. I wonder if I'm ever gonna feel that way again. Until then, I'll find some time to spend down by the river. Spend a lot of time looking forward, looking back, looking down at my feet upon the ground. Well, I fell backwards when I opened my eyes. I found myself staring straight up in the sky. Oh, it seemed like there was something there to learn. When I realized I had nowhere else to be, and the only sound that mattered was the wind that blows so gentle through the trees. Such a harmony down by the river. I heard music, it was soft and clear, and I sang out for the first time. I didn't care who would hear, because I found my answers in the wind and waves, and the magic in the little things that happen every day. Oh, I played that tune on my old mandolin, and I didn't hurt at all for company, because the river likes to sing along, and it knows the words to every song I play. Such a lovely day down by the river. What a lovely day.